Back to my video. I'm gonna sing a song for y'all girls on YouTube, and I'm just freaking short, but I'm gonna try to sing a song for y'all. Okay? Yeah, baby. Yeah. I got that. Yeah. I'm freaking praying for you. Yeah. I start freaking smoking for you. Yeah, baby. How I did the way. I start smoking for you. Yeah, every day. Yeah. I start loving y'all. I start dreaming about you. I start freaking thinking. I start freaking dreaming. I start freaking. Yeah. This is all that. Yeah. This is the only thing I told y'all. I'm talking to you right now. Yeah. I feel so for you. I got a heart in my heart. I have a heart for you. I got my heart for you. Yeah. I start freaking thinking. I start freaking praying. Yeah, this is all night, all day. Yeah, this is the only thing I say. Yeah, I start freaking in and do the way. Yeah, I start freaking look at that guy. I start looking at the girls and I say, hey, I'm so freaking pretty. Yeah, you all look pretty on you too. This is just the thing that we do. Yeah, people have love. Everything is the only thing that they have. Yeah, I start freaking thinking what I need. Yeah, I start smoking some weed. Yeah, this is all night. Yeah, start thinking twice. Yeah, I think twice about you. I start dreaming one or two. I dream about you. Start loving you. Start freaking thinking of you. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Yeah, yeah. This is the only thing. I start dreaming. Touching the sky. And this is all night that we do, that we love. Yeah, my name's Jose. Yeah, that's my channel way. That's how I do the way. That's how I do the way. Yeah. I don't know if I'm cute. Yeah. This is just me, and the only thing I do is my wear jeans. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. I love you all, and I think about you all the time. Yeah, that's my song. Subscribe if you want some more. Yeah, that's how I do the way. In my California, okay. I'll start freaking smoking weed. I'll start smoking cigarettes. That's getting good. But if y'all love my songs, just tell me. If you want to subscribe, get some thumbs up. And that's my time to shine.